in these tests. One of the primary reasons that we were interested from a research point of view is that there are a number of known correlates for psi performance. One of which, for example, is the global geomagnetic field. When the geomagnetic field changes, people's ability to do psi paths and also their spontaneous reports of psychic experience seem to be modulated.
Isn't that interesting?
We think so.
I do too.
We're beginning to get a glimpse as to maybe why that is.
Now, the global geomagnetic field, as I'm sure you're aware, is affected by the activity on the sun.
Correct. Largely driven by the solar wind.
That's right. I've been correlating this for years and years and years and telling people I believe this, and you're the first one from the scientific community I've heard say it.
Well, it's fairly well known that the geomagnetic field itself, of course, is created by the Earth,
yes.
Elements of the Earth, but the field is normally a kind of teardrop shape. The reason it's shaped like a teardrop is because the solar wind particles themselves are pushing against the geomagnetic field and turning it into a teardrop.
Correct. And it peaks at peak years, and we're in that right now.
It fluctuates all over the place.
That's right.
Every time we're hit by a solar storm or something happens in the interplanetary system, it is pushed around, so it's constantly vibrating. And it turns out that for many years there have been studies looking at things like the incidence of violence in prison populations as compared to the geomagnetic field. And it was a great puzzle as to what in the world was this, in terms of magnitude, very small magnetic effect. Why would that make any difference in terms of something as large as human behavior? Or even worse, something as subtle as psi performance. And so only in the past couple of years was it discovered that most animals, including humans, have the same kind of magnetic material, ferromagnetic material, in our nervous system, including in the brain. And so we have something like a magnetic sense. Some people it's stronger and other people it's not so strong, but nevertheless we apparently have an inherent ability to detect magnetic fields. So an animal, a homing pigeon, uses this as a navigational aid. Some people apparently can use it as navigational aids as well. Perhaps this is what dowsers use in the field. But it also suggests that during a time of a stormy magnetic day, that we will feel agitated. We may not know it's a stormy magnetic day, but nevertheless our nervous system is agitated as we can detect it. And when you're agitated, you simply can't concentrate as well as you can when you feel calm. So getting back to these online psi tests.
Okay, just before you go to that, anecdotally, Doctor, I wonder if you're aware that not only are we in a peak, but September was an incredible month for CMEs and incredibly disruptive storms from the sun. It's still going on now to some degree. We're having a series of X flares. I mean, it's really going bananas up there. September was a particularly violent month for the sun.
Well, that's interesting. Yeah.
At any rate, continue.
So, what we have now is an almost continuous 24 hours a day, given that's the internet, stream of data coming in from lots of people around the world doing simple psi tests. What I've been doing is taking the correlation day by day of the geomagnetic field on a planetary basis against the people's performance on these tests. And we have found a significant correlation, a negative correlation, as we predicted based on all of the data.
A negative correlation?
The negative correlation. The bigger the magnetic storm, the worse people do. With a negative correlation. So we see this actually in all three of the tests. We now have 5 tests, but for most of the year we've had 3 tests. Whether it's a remote viewing task, or a map dowsing task, or a simple card guessing game, people's performance is modulated by something as subtle as changes in the geomagnetic field. We're also looking at other environmental effects, but I'm not going to talk about those until after this year ends.
You don't want to influence it.
Well, that's the paradox, isn't it?
Yes, sure it is.
Many things going on in experiments like this that if I talk about it in any depth,